How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Archive. Sometimes the deleted messages will be in here, but if you don't find the messages in here, go back and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, scroll down and click on See More in Account Center. After you click on See More in Account Center, here, click on Your Information and Permissions. Click on Export Your Information. After you click on Export Your Information, it will lead you to this page. Here, it will take some time to load, and after it loads, you will find your information options. Click on Create Export. Select your Facebook. Export to device. And then customize information. Unselect all and only select messages. Press on Save at the bottom. Select date range. Press on Save at the bottom. Scroll down and click on Start Export. Add your password, and after it's exported, you'll find it in your mail. You can simply click on the mail sent by Facebook and download the link, and you'll find all your deleted messages. This is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.